Morning all, it's now 6:30. Oh, it's ice. Lovely. Get that off, get that packed away, and let's get gone. Day 11. Let's go that way. I think it's day 11. That's weird, there's like 30, 40 dogs. Looks like they're being led by, there's two blokes like leading them. Followed up by some cows in the field to the right, mate. Very chilled start to the day. Just made some coffee at Churchyard, filled up some water, been through Worcester, now heading to Clevedon. Day 11 on the big ride. Not far to go now. Ah, I can taste Cornwall already. Let's rock and roll. This is part of the National Cycle Network. Oh. Oh. I think it's just trying to keep us off that. There's the M6 you can probably hear in the background. Just trying to keep us off that. I don't know how you get down here on a road bike. All good fun. I don't know if you saw on that sign back there, but I've just entered Worcestershire. Watch out, behind you. Just come up the hill from whatever that place was where I was having lunch, Ashleworth or something. Tough hill, but you greet with that lovely view. That is beautiful. I think it's the Cotswolds, isn't it? Lovely quiet road, very nice. And I've got a descent of happiness in a minute. God, I'm still knackered after that hill. Right, onwards and upwards to Clevedon, maybe, if I get that far today. I don't think I will. Oh, I'm just taking it steady now, guys, taking it steady the last few days. Oh, this is, every hill is starting to be a bit more difficult. The legs are saying no more often. That's alright, I just got to keep on slowly going. There's no rush, there's no race. Whew. This is nice. As long as there's no rain, we're happy. Ah, that's the one. Oh, nice. Day 11, eh? Another nice descent. And I think it's flat ground for a little while into Gloucester. Nice is better. Nice little cycle route running next to the A417, is it, or something? Yeah, this is alright. Spooky. Going through a nice field of cows, bulls. Well, they've got horns on, so yeah. One of them looks at me like, what are you doing in my field? Nice smooth gravel now. Afternoon. What a lovely afternoon it is. Oh. Through another cattle grid. A bit more bumpy inside. You can probably hear my sweets rattling around. bridge, isn't it? I've got to say, this Gloucester Canal is just so much flatter and nicer than the one next to, what was it called, around Birmingham way? Can't remember what it's called now, off the top of my head. But yeah, this is much more pleasant to ride on. As I say, that was a big bump in there, but yeah.
See you, Mark. Good luck.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Adios.
Ding ding! Coming up behind it. Thank you. Coming up behind it. Thank you.